Your legs are strong until one day they hesitate. You stand up from a chair and need a second longer. You start walking and your knees feel unsure. You climb stairs and feel a deep fatigue that wasn't there before. Has this ever happened to you? Most people shrug it off and say, I'm just getting older. Doctors may say it's normal muscle loss. Friends say it happens to everyone after 60. But what if I told you something important? Your muscles may not be failing. They may be quietly undernourished, even if you eat well. And there is one simple seed that many adults over 60 are missing, a seed that supports muscle strength, leg stability, balance, and recovery without heavy protein powders, expensive supplements, or extreme diets. You want to stick around because the most important insight, the one that explains why muscles weaken first in the legs, is coming in just a moment. As we do so, like this video and subscribe to the Green Health channel. Why muscle weakness really starts after 60. After age 60, the body undergoes a natural process called sarcopenia, which means gradual muscle loss. But here's what many people don't realize. Muscle loss is not just about aging, it's about nutrient signaling and absorption. As you get older, your body absorbs less protein from food. Muscle cells respond more slowly to nutrients. Chronic low-grade inflammation increases. Magnesium and zinc levels quietly decline. Digestion becomes less efficient. So even if you're eating chicken, fish, or beans, your muscles may not be getting the message to rebuild. Let me know in the comments if you felt this way, eating what you think is right, but still feeling weaker. Why your legs weaken first. Your legs are the largest muscle group in your body. They also work the hardest. Leg muscles are responsible for standing up, walking, balance, preventing falls, and supporting independence. Because they're used constantly, they are also the first to show weakness when nutrients are missing. This is why early warning signs often include difficulty rising from a chair, heavier legs when walking, shaking knees, reduced balance, and faster fatigue. Ignoring these signs can lead to faster muscle loss, but supporting them early can make a powerful difference. The one seed your muscles may need. The seed we're talking about is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds work differently from most protein foods, and that's exactly why they're so effective for aging muscles, especially in the legs. Instead of flooding your body with large amounts of hard-to-digest protein, pumpkin seeds deliver balanced, usable nutrition that aging muscles can absorb and respond to more efficiently. Here's how pumpkin seeds support leg strength and mobility. Plant-based protein that helps slow muscle breakdown and supports daily muscle maintenance without stressing digestion. Magnesium, a key mineral your leg muscles rely on for proper contraction, relaxation, and preventing cramps or weakness. Zinc, which plays a vital role in muscle repair, recovery, and strength preservation. Healthy fats, including omega compounds that help reduce inflammation in leg joints and muscle tissue. Natural fiber, which improves nutrient absorption so your muscles actually receive what you eat. Rather than forcing muscle growth, pumpkin seeds help protect existing muscle tissue, support nerve-to-muscle communication, and improve the conditions your leg muscles need to stay strong. This is especially important after 60, when leg muscles weaken first, affecting walking, balance, and independence. That's why such a small seed can make a big difference in how strong, steady, and confident your legs feel over time. Why protein alone is not enough. Many people are told, just eat more protein, take protein shakes, lift heavy weights. But after 60, too much protein can stress digestion, increase inflammation, burden the kidneys, go unused by muscles. Muscles don't just need protein, they need minerals to activate muscle fibers, healthy fats to reduce breakdown, circulation to deliver nutrients. This seed supports all three, which is why it works so well for aging muscles. The missing connection most people don't talk about. Muscles don't work alone. They rely on nerve signals, blood flow, inflammation control. When inflammation stays high, muscle repair slows down. When circulation drops, nutrients don't reach muscle tissue. When minerals are low, muscles weaken even with protein present. This seed helps support better circulation, lower inflammation, improved muscle communication. That's why many people notice better leg strength before upper body strength. How to use it the right way, critical. Here is where most people make a mistake. They either take too much, take it once in a while, or expect instant results. Muscle support after 60 is about consistency, not intensity. This seed works best when used regularly, combined with gentle daily movement, eaten in a form that's easy to digest. You definitely want to stay until the end because combining this seed with one simple habit dramatically improves results, and most people never hear about it. How to get the best results. Pumpkin seeds work best when they're paired with one simple daily habit: gentle leg movement. When you eat pumpkin seeds and then use your leg muscles, your body sends a signal to direct those nutrients straight into muscle repair and strength. The most effective habit is 10 to 20 minutes of daily walking, light stretching, or standing leg movements. This combination helps improve blood flow to the legs, activate muscle fibers, increase absorption of magnesium and protein, reduce stiffness and weakness over time. You don't need heavy exercise. Consistency matters more than intensity. Seeds nourish the muscles. Movement tells the body where to use that nourishment. That's how you get stronger, steadier legs naturally, especially after 60. If this video is helping you understand your body better, like this video. Subscribe to Green Health. We share simple, natural ways to stay strong, mobile, and independent as you age. Muscle weakness is not a failure. It's a message that your body needs better nourishment, better balance, better support. And sometimes the smallest foods make the biggest difference. Let me know in the comments, have you noticed leg weakness, balance issues, or fatigue after 60? And don't miss the next video where we reveal the foods that work even better when paired with this seed for stronger legs and better mobility. Stay strong. See you in the next Green Health video. Take good care of yourselves and remember, Green Health cares.